up?
What's up? All right.
Where'd you see him?
Ha ha ha!
We need to probably do it right here. Swing it right here close to the ball. Kill him. You think some of this on the water, Dad? Right there in
Get him,
front of us. He's swimming off.
Hold on. How far is he?
No, I'm talking about this one right here in front of us, dude.
Where'd the other
Right
one go?
here.
Can you get him?
Just 3.5.
I'm coming. Where'd that other one go?
Way up right.
Kill him.
God damn, that gun jammed.
You want to get the green top?
Fuck.
Oh, Lee, how did y'all miss that duck?
I have no idea.
My goddamn gun jammed.
Damn, boys, we should have fucking marked both of them.
We look like dummies on the goddamn GoPro now.
I'll let y'all have the green ones on y'all side. Fucking hey, 3-timer taking Gomer, world champion, shooter of the year.
Goddamn.
I should hand him my gun.
That would have never fucking happened with this goddamn Super Black Eagle 2.
Or an SX4. I'll tell you, this is the most cutest fucking gun there is right here.
You got some
Well,
W. Well, I quit
got some
carrying a
lube.
duck bag because I don't
Little
hunt the
lube.
goddamn timber no more, man.
Got a little lube, I think.
He's still circling around.
Don't put a shit ton in there now. That's not the shit you fucking load down. That ain't like ram oil. That's like, ooh.
Oh,
That
fuck.
spray shit, you know what I mean?
Group right there. There's another single. No, it ain't. Y'all get ready. Wait. Let them circle. Don't fuck it. Bust them when they come over. Shoot them. Oh, duck, stop. Get down.
They're coming in. Ready?
Kill him.
Folded one.
I got.
Let's go, boys.
We need to go get them
I'm
motherfuckers.
going. Let me see your shotgun.
Hold
Mine's
on.
empty.
Yeah,
Where they at, boys?
straight out there in front. I think when he sit here, concentrate on ducks now.
That deal, they come through fast.
Looks like one's laying right there. Hey, right here. See me? Straight through there. Shh, let me get it. He's gonna come in. Here he comes. Don't answer that right now, whatever you do. He's trying.
He's gonna land there.
All right, everybody in agreement that oh. Fuck it, shoot them. Shoot these right here when they get close. Wait. Now. You got one right there.
I got that one. How about that one right there?
Where'd that other one go?
I got that one. Watch it. I got it way out there. Hey, that was a good shot. That was hell yeah.